Let's talk search. Show location, position of character. What am I talking about? Where is this capital B in this string of information? Is it case sensitive or not? Position is 17. What am I talking about? I'll explain it as we work through this video. We're going to use this search function. We're going to come up with the different positions based on our criteria. Brad Williams, Excel primed. The search feature. What's the search feature? Let's take a look. Over here on our left, find the position of the first A. What is the search feature? It locates position of text within a cell, not case sensitive. So here we're asking, find the A. Well, here's the syntax, find text, within text, the start number. We have the find text, the text to find, within text, the text to search within, and the optional start number, starting position in the text to search. That syntax is really hard to understand. What does that mean? Well, let's look here. We have banana, we have A. We took the easy route here and without looking at this, we just said B6, C4. What is it? B6 is find text in where? B5, find text where? In B5, within C5. Cool. And the default is 1. It's going to start at B. And here's the position of the A, number 2. 1, 2, BA. If we want to add this optional deal, this start number means I want to start at 3. What does that mean? I'm going to start at N, ban. We're going to start at ban, the N. So the answer is going to be 2 because it's going to look for this other banana, the other A. So now we have position of, even though we're starting at 3, this A is at position 4. If we change this to 5, we have this A at position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hard to grasp right up front. And you're asking, why would I incorporate this? Well, you may need to remove just that A. We probably can incorporate this into, probably could put it into the len or into our mid function or something like that. Second example, find the first key, fine. Search is not case sensitive. So here, search B8, C8, we're just looking for where is the. Well, it starts at, and that is the word. That's what it's looking for, THE. Notice it's not case sensitive. It starts position of the first T. How about here? Search B9, C9 for saying it's at position 17. Well, if you want to count, where's the first B? Well, it's showing capital. I don't see a capital B. What'd I just say? Over here, search is not case sensitive, doesn't care. How about find the second dog? If you found the first dog, your search, the optional, has to be after this second D. It could be position 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I mean by position, THE is 3, space 4, dog would be 5, D for dog. And what I do? We start at the O, 6. That's going to guarantee it'll find the next dog, and it starts at 17. Wildcard matches. Wow. Well, I don't see. Oh, here we go. You remember, if we start off with a question mark, that's a wild card. It could be anything. All it's looking for is IS and anything married to IS. And it's married to his. Find second the. Well, we already know by going up here to the dog, we're going to see that we have to start after this E. So it could be in that space or it could be after D. So we went 2. And that's fine. You just have to ignore the first T and you can put it in space 2. Now, when you hard code this, and that's what you did here, make sure it's in quotes. Here, find first hyphen. You should just be able to go B13, C13. If you wanted the second hyphen, you'd want to make sure your at least 1, 2, 3, position 4. I bet you this works. Comma 3. Nope, it counts itself. Ha ha! That was my question. Will it count itself? It does. So you're going to have to at least be position 4. You're going way too fast. I'll explain it to you in a second. Here. If I put this in 3, or if I just leave it blank, if I go here, there's position 3. But then if we go in here and optionally say, find the second hyphen, we include the hyphen, guess what? Excel is going to default to position 3, the first hyphen. So you know you're going to have to go one additional character to the right, and that's why I inserted 4. Got it? Be sure to check out our extensive courses, which include Excel data and text manipulation for advanced users, beginners, intermediate. We also have this great essentials, the A to Z for advanced users, the comprehensive beginner level 1 and 2. Then we have our advanced formulas, strictly formulas, great set of courses, which we have a beginner level 1 and beginner level 2, this intermediate level, and we have this advanced level. Click on any of the links. There's a short video that explains everything about the course. Check it out, I hope. If not, keep working at it. All right, read the stuff. Look at the anatomy. Just keep practicing. Here we have 4, 3, 2. Trying to find the first one. Just go B14, C14 and make sure you reference this 4. And this is the toughest section. This really is a non-Excel tutorial because we're just forcing, this is force. We're forcing text into a non-text environment. If you can get through this, then you're going to be able to figure everything else out. It's that mid, it's the mid function that can really drive you crazy. It's the right. And I want you to go through all of this before I introduce, and I won't introduce it in this tutorial, but there's tools that will make this much easier. You need to learn this stuff inside and out before it's that walking, crawling, you've heard it a million times. Saying, I don't really care about this. Show me the new stuff. It's not in the beginner. It's not in the intermediate. You can do your math. It won't even be in the advanced. It'll probably be an entire new tutorial that will probably be, well, I don't know yet. I'm still working on it and details to follow. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.